So let us see now how to write the scenarios, that is smoke scenarios for Amazon. Okay.
Okay.
Opening the browser, entering the URL. Okay. So you guys know there is a scenario, a functional testing scenario, you can tell. To check that when user open the browser, enter the URL, Amazon homepage should be displayed. Yes or no?
Hmm.
Without entering the URL, I can't tell, I can't open this particular page. Yes or no?
Correct.
So
Yes.
can I tell this is a critical wala?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
it is.
Okay.
It is basically.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, it's a
Okay.
critical.
Now you guys beautifully understood.
Yeah,
Next
yeah.
scenario, let me go. Now see, initially when the software, while it is developing or it is developed, this much data will not be there.
Right.
Okay. So there are some categories. So today's deal, customer service, what is this? Registry, gift card, sell.
Right.
All this will not be there, I will tell. Or there should be something called as today's deal. I think today's deal we will use. We will check what is today's deal. We'll check. But customer service, can I touch?
Mm,
All the persons who will come for Amazon, they will do customer service.
yes.
Huh?
Yes, the customer service is important because sometimes the delivery is not delivered. So I
No,
have used it
I'm, I'm,
many
I'm,
times.
I'm telling, I'm telling
Mm.
every time will you use.
Every
It is a
no,
basic or critical. No. So
no.
registry, what do you mean by registry?
Book something.
Book something is registry.
Yeah.
Then it is very important. Okay. Understanding, no? Gift
Yeah.
card, what do you mean by gift card? Some cards
You
you want to
receive
book or
from
something,
someone.
no? Okay, so I will not use this. Sell will be used by the sellers. Yeah, this is also very important. Now let us go for all. Electronics, say shop by department, programs and features, help and settings. Okay. Now these all the modules, the requirement they have given. So Amazon Music they have given. Okay. Are you guys using Amazon Music by you opening the Amazon.com?
No,
Are
No,
you guys listening the song
I don't.
using Amazon
no,
Prerna?
no, sir.
No. So this is not my basic and critical feature.
Correct.
Kindle e-reader and books. Are you using this?
No.
No.
No. Okay. Amazon App Store. Are you using this? Any games or anything you are
No.
playing? No. So according to me, these all three are no, whatever you are saying, these things are not developed in the initial stage of the software. Keep in your mind. These things are add-ons. Once we have released the software, obviously Amazon used to sell their books. So let me consider this was developed initially itself. Okay. And this whatever the App Store, Amazon Music and all is there, no? So these things are not developed when the requirement is given. The requirements will be keep on updating. Okay. If I am having something, I will not stop there. I will add some more things. I will add some more things like that. But you understood that one is important, another two is not important. Now, what you have to do as a smoke tester, if you click on this one, this page should display. Okay. Meet the what is this? Kindle family. What do you mean by Kindle?
Sir, Kindle is another application,
kids.
sir, for reading books.
Oh, okay, leave.
Yeah.
Okay, that is also not important. Let me go for
Online.
electronics. Okay, electronics.
Hmm.
So in the electronics, there are the options you can see. Okay. So what I will do, I will click on, see, this is also very important. You have to write a scenario like that. Electronics you have considered as, see guys, this is one of the button. Okay. You need to consider this as electronics, computer, smart home, arts. The features need to be tested under the smoke testing. Maybe electronics, computer we will buy, Maybe smart home, we will
But
not
sir,
buy, I
we
think.
don't buy
Smart
that
home, we
very
will not buy.
often, right?
Uh-huh.
We don't buy that very often, right?
Yeah. But
Computers.
electronics, see, you will not buy, but entire world, if you take all the electronics or computer related things, no, we will buy via Amazon or any other applications, right? Got
Depends.
it? Yeah, obviously, I bought my mobile with Amazon only, or they will give Amazon sales. That time, 1 month, the rate of the electronic items or devices will be very less. This is what the main module. Arts and crafts, we will not buy, guys.
No,
Hmm.
not.
Understood?
Hmm.
Mm.
So, automotive, baby, now men's fashion, obviously, girls' fashion, boys' fashion.
Hmm.
So, software, are you buying any software from Amazon?
No.
No.
Pet supplies,
No.
this is the extra services they are giving. Got it?
Hmm.
So in this, you have to decide which you have to make it as a smoke, which is basic and critical, which is
Okay.
not a basic and critical. First thing,
Hmm. Hmm.
I told you you have to collect 30 features. In the 30 features, you should make at least 10 or 15 features need to be tested under smoke and features need not to be tested under smoke.
Mm-hmm.
So
Uh, yeah.
after considering that, I'm not doing any integration. See, I'm just clicking on electronics.
Hmm.
As soon as I click on electronics, all the electronic uh, gadgets should be displayed. This is my
Hmm.
scenario.
Hmm.
Got it?
Okay.
All the
Yeah.
gadgets means what? The customer is given the requirement. Hey, I'm selling the camera, accessories, car items, and cell phone items and accessories, computer. These many I'm selling. So
Mm-hmm.
obviously, for this developer should write the code and that particular thing should be present over there.
Mm-hmm.
Next, to check that when user click on camera and photos,
Hmm.
the cameras should display. See here,
That's
cameras
it.
are displaying, no?
Yeah.
Then I
Right.
can tell, okay, it is working. Later I will go, I will check each and everything like other things and all. That's it. Now I
Sir,
have tested.
questions,
Hmm.
sir.
Hmm.
Sir, because Amazon is a e-commerce website, right? The
Okay.
whole
Yeah.
purpose of Amazon is the customer should be able to buy a stuff.
Yes.
So, don't add to carts is a critical feature.
Yeah, obviously critical.
So,
So
sir,
if you look at, yeah, go ahead, Prerna.
yeah, if we write a test scenario on add to carts, it
Hmm.
will then go to the integration testing scenario. Like,
Yeah,
okay,
I did not told you that integration is not belongs to smoke.
okay,
Right, right.
yeah,
So,
So if you're adding a product to cart, no,
huh,
say I'm adding one product to cart.
huh,
Okay. Product is added to the cart.
yes,
yeah,
I can see
yes,
smoke is done.
yeah,
yes,
Got it.
yeah.
yes,
So I am not stopping to book my product because after adding product to cart, then only you can buy the product. No. If
yes,
add to cart was not working,
yeah,
then I could not or I cannot continue my testing that whether I can book the product.
yes,
Understood.
yeah,
I cannot check my checkout as well. I
yes,
cannot check my sign in. So these
mm-hmm.
all things are depending upon what? My add to cart.
Hmm.
Right.
Hmm.
Got
So
it. So
questions.
I will write the scenario for add to cart as well.
Hmm.
I have questions,
Mm,
sir, before you
yeah.
move forward.
Mm,
So, since we are new in this field, right? You have
yes.
experience, you write so many scenarios and test cases, right? But
Yes.
we just started. So, is it possible for you to share, the scenarios that have real life scenarios looks like, so we don't
Uh,
get confused?
Actually, what I told you, I think in the initial days of classes, I'm the only test engineer handling my project. No.
Yeah, but
So
you
what
can
I'm doing,
create your own
I'm
stuff.
directly testing that. I'm not writing any scenarios as of now
Right,
because
correct.
I will be having not only as a test engineer, I'm handling more than 4 to 5 responsibilities.
Right,
So
right.
if I sit and write the scenarios, no, the time will be completely wasted.
Right, right.
So
So
yeah,
how do we
noted
know that whatever we are working on, it's correct?
that
Yes,
Whatever
sir.
we
day
were
by day you
writing.
will learn. See that you will learn day by day. Now you are learning the concepts.
Hmm.
So learning concepts is different. Working or I can tell you when you come to test cases chapter, no?
Mhm.
When I start teaching you test cases or when once the test cases chapter gets complete,
Hmm.
so you will get a confidence that okay, this is what we have to do. This is how we have to do.
Hmm.
Got
Right.
it? As of
Sir,
now, you are learning what and all is there in the testing.
sir,
It is
is it possible, sir, for you that the assignment that we sent you, sir,
mm,
suppose I have written an Amazon test scenario and you
mm,
think it is wrong, can you
yeah.
just write the feedback that can, or you can even not share everything if you want, you can say, Prerna, write it like this, and I
Okay.
again rewrite it and send it back to you. How about that?
Yes. So
So
Yeah,
let us
that
or
see.
or you
I
can give
can
us the,
correct my mistakes, sir. That is what
Yes,
I'm
that is
wanting
very
to do.
good. Let us
or you
see
can
now.
show
Okay.
us some example scenarios, like like created by you.
This
Where is the
presentation
document
recording.
you have shared? This one, no?
No, yes, sir. Yeah,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Login as user A to WhatsApp. Check whether the
Chat page is
char.
different.
This is not chart, no char. What is char?
Yes, so that's a typing error.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Chat page is display. Why
Hmm.
chat page will display? If
Sir,
you take,
because suppose,
if
yeah,
ah,
you tap on, so you go to your mobile and you tap
okay.
on the WhatsApp application.
Yes.
So then the chat, all the multiple chat pages is displayed, no, sir, like जिससे भी आप बात करते हो,
Yes.
whoever you talk
Yes.
to. Yeah,
Yes. So this is correct, no?
I think so.
No, you should tell. See, you should
Yes, sir, it is
you should be
correct.
confident. Correct, no?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah. Next, login as user A to WhatsApp. Already you are logged in as a user
yeah,
A.
yeah.
Okay. Again, you are logging. I don't know why.
Uh-huh.
Uh, I told you, no, the continuity should be there for the scenario.
Oh, okay.
So, login to WhatsApp as user A to
Uh-huh.
WhatsApp. Okay. Login as user A to WhatsApp and select user B. Check whether the chat page of user B is displayed.
Hmm.
Okay.
I was facing this
This
as
this
well
these
as I
two
was
are
writing.
these two are totally fine. Agreed.
Okay.
And
Hmm.
uh, what I am thinking is you are taken the application as WhatsApp, no?
Hmm.
This is a basic and critical feature you have taken, right?
Yes, sir.
So you can add one more message, one more scenario that
Hmm.
you can send a message and check in user B as well. That is also you can consider as smoke.
Okay,
First
so
scenario. Okay.
so in
Next,
that case, it will be login as user B, sir.
no, you send a message to user B.
Huh?
Next, log out as user A, login as user B.
Okay.
Go to user A's chat, check whether the user A's message is displayed.
Yes, yes. Yes,
Feature
sir.
forward. Okay. Now you only think
Hmm.
forward is one of the key feature which is present in the WhatsApp. Will you use this forward daily?
Hmm. Yes, sir, I
Or
get what you're saying.
Again, sir, right? It
you will use
depends.
this as a reply daily you will
The
use?
reply daily is used, sir.
You will
Yeah.
use okay.
Yeah,
See,
yeah,
I'm not questioning you whether you
yeah.
will use. I'm just making you to understand. Forward will
Understand.
use
No, sir, not
no,
necessary.
but reply will use.
Oh, yes.
So now you think so. This is
Hmm.
not a feature need to be tested as a
Okay.
smoke. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Reply, yeah, you test. Reply.
Yes.
What you
Yeah.
will do, you send a message. Select user B and select the last. What is that? Last two last
Last to last
messages.
message. Hmm.
You just select the previous message
Okay.
and press on it, check whether the reply drop down is display.
Hmm.
What is this reply drop down? You are testing the reply means
Uh-huh.
you select the previous message
Mm-hmm.
or select a message and reply Okay.
Okay, sir.
Log out as user A, log in as user B, check whether the message is replied back to the previous message, or the reply feature is working fine, or the reply is okay, 1 second. Log in as user A, select a user B chat, or select a user B's message, previous message, reply for it. Log out as user A, log in as user B, go to user A, check whether you have received the reply message from user A. That's it.
Okay, so these
The
are
reply
two
is working.
scenarios.
So
Okay.
reply, how it is working means you need to ensure whether a user B is received or not.
So it is somewhat like end to end, sir.
Not end to end, it is like an integration, I can tell, but it is basic.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
Copy, I don't use copy boss. I will not use feature add button. What is add button?
So there is this plus sign next to the message text.
Okay. That let me take. Okay, fine. That will be okay. Okay, login as user A. WhatsApp, select user B. Navigate to add button. Select a photo. So you should click on it. When you click on add button, what should display?
Yes,
Photo. Select a photo. Select a document. Select a locations. This should display.
Oh, okay.
Okay. That is what the functionality of the add button.
Okay,
That
sir.
particular button, what it is displaying. If it is not
Okay.
displaying, how you can send a photo?
Yes. The
Like
first
that.
step is the what it is displaying. Always the first step is what it is
Similar,
displaying.
not always. You think
Okay,
that is how the application will work.
Yes,
So
sir.
delete
Yes.
you can take, because send and delete we will consider it as very important. Yeah. So you moved on to video call. Okay. Select a video. User B, select user button. Check whether the video call will with user B name is displayed. So obviously, when you are a test engineer, you have to think that sometimes you will be having only one device. Sometimes you will be having two devices. Okay. If you are having one device, if you are considering to write the scenario, you have one device, then you have to do that. Okay. Open WhatsApp as user A, call user B. Obviously, you are using the same mobile, no?
Yes.
So you will not make a call to that particular number. It will get engaged or something.
Yes.
Close user A's mobile. Open user, close user A's WhatsApp. Open user B's WhatsApp. Go to calls. Check whether user A's video missed call is displayed. It should be more specific. Perfectly, it should. Sir, sentence formations or sentence formation, however you want, you can write, because we will not test the software by looking into the scenario. No, test case will be step by step. While writing the test case, we will get to know how to write. Okay, voice call is also important. Let me take. Camera is important, huh?
Not
Speaker
daily.
is important, huh?
Not daily.
No, right? So that is why I mentioned it as a wrong. So I need which features need to be tested as smoke. Okay.
Yes,
That
sir.
you make a column. Why I am not able to write? You are not given access, huh? Okay.
Oh,
So
okay. I will give.
okay, smoke.
Yes, sir.
Features need to be tested under smoke. Features need not to be tested under smoke. Make it.
Okay, sir.
Later write 1, 1, 2, 2 scenarios. Okay.
Yes.
That time it will be correct.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So I have a question, sir.
Yeah.
So you said, write 10 scenarios, right, on one application, right?
Yeah.
So like you said, some of the features are not smoke testing. Then how do we collect 10 features scenarios?
If you take any application, obviously you will get more than 10 features as a basic and critical. That is the sense, like without 10 important features, then why the application we are using?
Right.
Understood. If you take any application, minimum 10 features, you can check or you will get, obviously. Okay. Analyze, think. You have to use your brain many times. Okay, it's not so much easy.
Yeah.
So
We do, sir.
yeah, no, I'm just telling you. Yeah, these features, around 3-4 features, you got a basic and critical. No,
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
next you go for the flow, workflow, how it will work.
Yeah.
Got it. Go to add to cart. This
Huh.
was one feature, check. Okay, let me go to .in so that I can also work. Okay, let me. Bye. .in. I am in India, boss. Show me the. Yeah. So see here, sign-in feature is very important. No? So obviously I need to check as a sign-in. Okay,
Huh.
always.
Huh.
So click on sign-in page is displayed.
Yes.
Obviously it is correct.
Yeah.
So let me enter my
Yeah.
number. Okay, continue. As soon as I click on, why it is asking password? Give the OTP, boss. Who can remember? So OTP is received. This is also basic and critical. Without receiving OTP, what can I do? Got it?
Yeah.
As soon as, so how can you write the scenario for that? Click on sign up button. Sign up page should be displayed, sir. No.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Next, when user enter a valid username and click on generate OTP button, customer should receive the OTP. Next, when user entered the valid OTP, home page should be displayed. Amazon home page should be displayed. Okay. Next, you take MX Player. MX Player, what is MX Player, boss? Why you put MX Player in my Amazon? Got it. This is not at all an important, basic or important feature for me. Sell. I am not a seller. Amazon is buying application. As per me, as the customer, I'm thinking there are the sellers. Okay, seller point of view you are testing. Then this is very important feature for you. So seller means who? The person who is added all the products here. No, these products are not belongs to Amazon. Got it? One seller will be there. He is adding all those things in the website called as Amazon. So let me tell you how. Okay. So how the application is working? There is a person called as Amazon. Okay. There is a person called as seller. There is a person called as buyer. Okay. The seller is restricted only near to Bangalore. Only is restricted. Whatever the service is giving, the product, whatever is manufacturing, it is only to Bangalore. Okay. But the quality of the product is very good and it is unique. You want to sell that product all over the world. Okay. So Amazon will reach to him, or he will get to know the information. There is an Amazon platform where if I give the products to them, they will do the marketing and they will help me to sell all the products to all over the world.
Correct.
So what and all these guys are there, no? These guys are you and me and everyone.
Right.
This is the manufacturer. This is
Correct.
Amazon. He is giving the platform. Okay. What is giving is giving a platform.
Correct.
And he is taking the platform fees. He is handling complete business and he is giving the profit to him and he is taking the platform fees. It means there is a 100 rupees product or $100 product. Okay. Where the manufacturing cost is 40% or 40 rupees. Okay. And he is selling that for 100 rupees. So he is getting 60 rupees as a profit. He will be giving 20 rupees for a platform fees or 10 rupees. For this 20 rupees, no, Amazon is handling everything. The business is handled by Amazon and he's getting his 40 rupees as a profit. Got it? This is how the application, this is the base of the application. Once you got, this is the requirement, what I explained to you, okay?
Right.
He will tell his product details. That time, that product, let me take one bag. Is telling his product details, boss, my product is some 16 liters is very important. You have to mention the length of the thing you have to mention, or what is the return policies, or what is the warranty policies. Everything I will give, you have to showcase everything in the application. Got it?
Okay.
And
Yeah.
3,999 is a product cost. Okay. You give 65% of offer or 70% of offer, because my manufacturing cost is 300 rupees only.
Okay.
And no, the buyers are very less because it is showing 3,999. Okay, you take platform fees as 400 rupees. Give me 1,000 rupees. It means 300 rupees manufacturing cost. You got 700 rupees as a profit. This is how application is working, and he is given all his details. See, I already have the rating like this. And this is my product, how it will looks. This is a warranty. This is the details. This is a customer feedback, everything. So all the things is gathered and is mentioned in the application. He's doing the marketing, completely is doing the marketing. Got it? Now you understood the requirement. Now tell me, what are the basic features? First thing, fresh. You are not going to buy any items here. You are basically a product you want to buy. Okay, that is the thing. So what you have to do, you have to mention a category here. Is there any category to buy bags? Any, what is this? This is my history. So bestseller, new release, movies, and so this is not a user-friendly application. Got it? Where I want to buy something, no? I want to buy a bags. Nothing. It is not showing anywhere. I have to search. Got it? There is no main module for bags. Got it? This was my previous search, so it is showing. This was my previous search, it is showing. So I can tell they are not considered bags as a basic or critical feature.
Okay.
They are considered mobiles and computers, TVs, and see, India, most of the people, they are buying mobiles, computers, TV, appliances, electricals, men fashion, women fashion. These things are majorly they are buying from the Amazon. Okay.
Yes, sir.
These things he only divided here. Online is mentioned and is divided all these things because we are not buying all these in India. Okay. So what I have to do, I have to test all these. I will click on mobiles and computers. So as soon as you click on mobile and computers, mobile details are displayed. Along with that, computer details are displayed. It is different modules. He merged and is showing in under the electronics. Now I will click and check mobiles. Mobiles are displaying.
Right.
Displaying. That's it.
Yeah.
Simple way. Okay. I'm not going, checking and all. Next. What is there? All mobile accessories. Mobile accessories are displaying.
Yeah.
Yes. Instead of mobile accessories, you got a shoes. Understood. That is a defect. Getting no?
Yeah.
That's it. That is a simple way of doing the smoke testing.
Okay.
Now let us go with the other type of application. You understood the e-commerce application. See, you have to test cart. You have to check the payment as well. Okay, one time in a high level. Got it? Later you need to go for some other testings. Okay. So what happened yesterday? I have booked something. Okay, some coffee powder. This is a Brazil coffee powder. Okay.
Okay.
That fellow is not delivered my product, but he's made my product as delivered in his application.
Okay.
You can see that. See here.
Yes.
It is delivered, no, but I have not received that. This and all will comes when it comes to functional or integration. In the depth it will come. I'm not doing all this. So what I have done, I have whatever the query will be there, no? I updated the query. I mean, I went for the customer in the mobile. It is showing reach out to customer or something, no? I spoke with the customer care. They told that within 2 days, 3 days, you will get your product. Got it?
Correct.
That and all will come later. That is not a functional testing.
Hmm.
Or that is not a smoke, not a function. That is not a smoke. Every customer is not facing the same issue, no?
Yeah.
So first thing you have to make it which is basic and critical, which is not a basic and critical feature. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now let us go for any other example. Amazon is done. Can you tell one application name?
You can try
Like
Uber since we
Uber,
have done.
Uber
Yeah.
तो नहीं है इधर. Very less.
Then Google Maps.
Google
or
Maps. Not a very high level application. I'm thinking some application where you can find many defects or you can find
Facebook.
you can understand more.
Facebook.
Facebook तो मेरे पास अकाउंट नहीं है.
Okay.
So Facebook. So let us create one fake. No, this is sign up. How to test? See, smoke testing I will do now. Okay, I will enter hello
Yeah.
Trump.
Okay.
Okay, is a mail. His mobile number or mail ID Trump 123@gmail.com. I'm thinking this is a positive input. Okay, I'm not thinking. Okay, next password 123456789. Let me sign up. So it's looking into wrong information. So today you born, how can you create the account? It is telling me indirectly. Okay, let me tell I born in 1986. Okay, sign up.
Okay.
It is taking positively. Whatever the year I mentioned, no, that also they will give the requirement. Please choose a more secured password. Okay, so the customer is given password should accept the combination of alphabets, numbers, and all. But I have given only numbers. That is not a smoke testing again.
Yeah.
Because you need to enter all the positive inputs. So now I entered hello at 123. Okay. Login.
So if you want to write any application, like a smoke testing scenario on application, right, sir, you have to start from the scratch or you can start from the sign in.
From URL you take, that is as a first. Next, what I'll do, open the application, click on sign up. Sign up page should display. Next, enter all the valid inputs and click on sign up button. So we receive everyone to use the name that they use in everyday. Okay, so this is not a name, it is considering.
Right.
Okay, so let me try Pushpa Trump. Okay, I'm just taking an example. See, these all are mentioned in the requirement, guys. You can't create it as a fake account or something, no? So it's trying to restrict that. Okay, I'm in a
kind of
there is a sir debate in my mind going. So basic and critical can be understood in two ways. See, sir, like what I'm saying is, every day no one signs up, right?
No.
So
That is not. No.
Yeah.
Without signing up, how can you use the application? Think from your testing point of view, or development point, or customer point of view. If you are a Facebook user, without signing up, can you use the Facebook?
Yeah. So basically, basic and critical means it can be a feature which is used every day, or it cannot be a feature which is used every day, but still it is needed to use the application. Correct?
Because
Yes.
if,
So
like example, right, I have Facebook on my phone already, so I
Yeah,
don't have to sign in every
correct.
day if I want to open my
Yeah,
Facebook.
we don't even sign in on Amazon every day and Facebook, and because
without
it's already
without
there. Yeah.
guys, think here.
Hmm.
Let me take example again.
Hmm.
Facebook is there.
Yeah,
Hmm.
I can't use the Facebook. See here.
no, that's fine.
Hmm.
I don't have the account, boss.
Yeah,
He is asking all the bullshit. Okay. I mean, your mail ID is wrong. You are not a Trump and all. It is asking.
Hmm.
Okay.
okay.
Okay. I'm clicking on this one. It is taking. I mean, I have to clear the cookies. Or let me take incognito mode. Right. Why I used incognito mode means all the cookies will be there. No, cookies
Hmm.
will not work. Cookies means the previously saved information will not
Hmm.
be there. Okay. So let me use the Facebook. Is it possible for me to use the Facebook now? I don't have an account.
Hmm.
Tell me
No, you have to create one without
how to
logging in
create.
again.
Once
Yeah,
if I create, once if I create, okay, how the application will work. Application once you created, once Rena's account is there, Rena only going into the Facebook. Yes or no?
Hmm.
So
yeah,
every time the programming will run as a sign up or login.
Hmm.
That you don't know, but it will be already logged in, so you are not doing that job again and again daily. The
yeah,
Hmm.
WhatsApp
yeah,
also again and again you are not doing, but whenever you click, the application is pause or it is stop when you are not using. Okay,
Hmm.
okay.
when you click on the symbol, no Facebook symbol,
Hmm. Hmm.
what it will do, the Facebook will already you have a data that arena and this password is there. By taking that only, it will request to the Facebook.
Hmm.
Then only you will get your Facebook details, your page or your photos, videos, whatever the things are there, no, it will display.
Yeah, yeah,
So without the sign up only not working, or you are not tested the sign up, it is not working means if you click on that one, it may take you to Instagram or it may not take you to the Facebook directly. Or
Hmm.
without sign up, you can't use the application only. Think without sign up, how can I use? Now you take example, I don't have the account, I'm directly telling you, give me the
yes.
access, how
If
it is
account is
possible.
already saved in the phone, sir, then
Yeah, it is
yeah.
saved and account is already created. Sign up is working fine, then only you are
Hmm.
using, no? Sign
Yeah,
up without it is working fine, then how can you use the application? So it is very basic feature. Without that feature, application is waste.
Yes.
That is
So,
basic.
yeah, basic. That is basic. Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now tell. So you understood right now what are the features
Yes.
which need to be there, that and all you have to test as a smoke.
Yeah.
Now I will enter valid username, valid password, click on login button. That is also basic.
yeah,
Hmm.
Understood. And
Hmm.
forget password is also a basic because everyone cannot remember their passwords. Understanding?
yeah,
Yes, sir.
But in your Facebook, there are so many other things where you will not use daily. You will use the like button, comment button, share button. Got it? Apart
yeah,
from that,
Yes, sir.
you have so many things. If you go to the settings, there are many options.
Hmm.
Privacy policies, terms and conditions, something and all are there. There are many features in the Facebook. Go live or something and all is there. That
Hmm.
and all, no, which we will not use as a daily basis. So it is not even a basic or it is not even a critical. So I will be eliminating them and I'm considering only basic and critical features, which if I test or which if it works, then only I can do some job.
Mm-hmm.
Without, if they're not working, then I will be stuck. I will be
Yeah.
blocked.
Hmm.
That type of features are called as basic and critical features.
Yes.
Mhm.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think we'll learn more while doing.
You have to do presentation. See, one thing
That's
I will tell, one thing I will tell again. Both are stuck between one of the concept. Both
Hmm.
stuck.
Hmm.
Both are stuck in a concept. Okay. What you have to do, stop the concept there only.
Hmm.
No need of discussing the concept in a wrong way.
Hmm.
Understood?
Hmm.
You ask this doubt to me. I will
Hmm.
clear.
Hmm.
yeah. So
If
the
you are
honestly,
assuming,
sir,
if you are assuming by yourself everything, you
Hmm.
will not learn anything. First thing I will tell, and you will create more confusion with you.
Hmm.
You know what is basic and critical feature. I will tell. You understood when I'm doing the class.
yeah,
I told you what features you need to consider as basic, what features need not to consider in the basic. I
Hmm.
yeah,
told, I think I have taken a Gmail only example. I told compose. Without compose, you can't do. Without inbox, you can't do. Without sent items, you can't do. But without spam, you can use. Without
Hmm.
draft, you can use. It means what? Okay, this feature is not there. Also, it is fine.
Hmm.
yeah,
But you took one of the application. You just analyzed that you thought whatever the things I'm looking, that may be basic or critical. No, you need to analyze. How can you analyze? If you use the application, then only you can analyze. Always say you are not a Lord Brahma. Use the application for some time. When you are using, what and all features are repeating, coming with into your minds, no? That features we'll call it as a basic and critical.
Hmm.
right.
How Prerna considered charts as a basic, video call as a base, whatever the basic. Why I will
Hmm.
tell. Charts means she is chatting to someone, parents or somebody in India, and she is doing video call for them.
Hmm.
And status, obviously. Understood.
Yeah,
Hmm.
Basic and critical, obviously, your WhatsApp only suggesting there are only three important features. One is call, one is charts, one is status, one
yeah.
is profile. Your profile, you will change the profile photos.
Hmm.
But that's
And
not that often, right? We don't change profile pictures that often.
Yes, sir. And sir,
but
status
profile picture,
also.
say, if you are not using, if Reena is not using, it is
Hmm.
not considered it as it is not a basic or critical. If you
See,
see,
I'm
no,
confused
the
with that
people
stuff, you know.
what they let me consider your age is 17 to 25 or 22. You are doing a college studies, okay? Or any
Mhm.
college to studying student number or anything is there. You check their profiles. Today one will be there, tomorrow one will be there, or in India you need to see morning one, afternoon one, evening one they will put.
Yeah,
Understood. It is also the age will be there, no? That age, people and status also. If you consider, I am not uploading the status daily.
same here.
Yes,
Or
sir. Same here.
but
I
if you
don't
take no,
change.
if you take an example of my mom is there. Morning,
Hmm.
what she will do, she will open the WhatsApp. Her daily duty is she is open the WhatsApp. She will go
Hmm.
to the application. She will download all the God photos, videos. She will
Hmm.
upload.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Okay, later only she will start her day.
Right.
It is not necessary for me, but it is necessary for someone. So you need to understand you are not a test engineer, or you are thinking from only your point of view. You should think from everyone in this world point of view.
Yeah, that's
There are
why,
the people
I'm getting confused, sir.
video call will be done by many people actually.
Yeah,
Entire world is chatting with the WhatsApp only.
yeah.
Got it. There is mails and all. No, nobody will sit and write the mails. They will go to WhatsApp and they will just send a message. So
See,
you need to analyze or understand how the people are using the application.
Right.
Next, block I'm not using daily. Got it?
Right.
Hello.
Yeah.
But block is also a basic and critical feature. Why means some unknown person is messaging. No, if I'm trying to block, the block is not working.
Right.
And testing a block for 15 or 30 seconds or 1 minute, no,
Mm-hmm.
I don't think so. You need to avoid this particular feature. Understanding? 1 minute means
Yeah.
what? I'm just blocking user B and I'm checking whether I can able to send a message. Got it?
Yeah.
This is very important when the scenarios are very critical. If a beautiful girl is there, no, you just take an example. She is getting so many messages from unknown persons. Our number is already shared. What she will do? She need to block them, right? Should work,
Yeah.
no? You need to think entire world point of view. It may be not in US. It will be happening in India.
I think that's another problem we are facing,
Yeah.
sir,
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
because we are considering this project as our lifestyle, right? Because
Correct.
if you
Yeah.
look at me, I left the India 19 years ago.
Mhm.
So I don't know much about that. You know what I'm
Okay.
saying, sir? So I
Yeah,
think
I
that's why
understood. I
this
understood.
Sir,
But
circumstances.
but but
sir,
I
the
can tell
thing,
you, chats you are using, video call you are using, status you are using, no?
sir, what I understand with critical is without that feature, the functionality of the application is not there. So, but sir,
Yeah,
for
yeah,
status, we
everything
can
is
still
depending
use
upon.
WhatsApp without status. We can still use WhatsApp without adding profile pic. You. So that is what we are understanding. That status and profile pic is not critical. It's
So you are
yeah,
telling that
yeah,
basic means the feature must be present. Okay.
Yeah.
yes, correct.
So
Yeah,
chats must be present.
yeah,
I will agree.
yeah,
Okay. Got it.
yes, yes, sir.
Critical features. I will consider status. Why? Because status is one of the main feature in the WhatsApp. See, you need to know the story as well. Okay, why
Mhm.
status and profile
Mhm,
picture is important or video call is important. There are
mhm,
many competitors in the world. Okay,
mhm.
if you take, I think you heard about the Snapchat, no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah.
Snapchat is one of the application where they have launched this status feature.
Hmm.
Status means what you are doing now, what you are doing after 10 minutes, what if you are doing after 2 hours.
Hmm.
Right.
This page, okay. This they used to upload in their Snapchat. I am going for shopping. They will take one mall photo update. While going, they will update their car photo. You can see hundreds of snaps each and every day.
Hmm.
The people started to migrate from your WhatsApp to your Snapchat.
Mhm.
Correct.
Mainly youth, young people.
Correct.
Mhm.
Without this particular story feature or status feature, they will call it as a story. Now I'm calling it as a status. Without, if I'm not introduce that feature, no, my business will go under the
Mhm.
loss
Mhm.
because everyone is migrating to Snapchat. Snapchat, what he will do? Charts is very easy feature. One day we'll leave this charts in the Snapchat only. So now everyone will start using the Snapchat.
Mhm.
Getting
Mhm.
no?
Mhm.
Yeah.
That is
Yeah.
their business, sir. Without charts, without status, we can use, sir. Yes, you can use. But what is the purpose of your WhatsApp?
Mhm.
You have to compete with others as well, no?
Mhm.
Yeah.
So he left your status and also the video call. Why
Mhm.
video call? Again, I will tell. There are Google Meet, there are Zoom meetings, there are other applications to do video call are already there in the market.
Mhm.
Correct.
Understood? And there
Yeah.
is an application called as, I will tell, if your friend is present in UAE, I mean any Arab countries, no, in Arab countries, WhatsApp video call and all ban. You can't do audio call, video call ban. Only you can use chat.
Mhm.
So they are using something called as bot IM application.
Mhm.
This is a video calling application.
Mhm.
Understood?
Yes,
So the
sir.
same thing, I'm not going for any bot IM applications in India. Why? Because he is giving that feature, no? He's already giving that status, video call, audio call, everything in his own application, right? So why I need to go for 2 to 3 applications, 4 applications? Now
Mm.
he's released transferring money as well in India. You can transfer
Mm.
money using WhatsApp.
Mm.
We are using something called as Google Pay, Phone Pay, and all to do the transactions. Okay.
Mm.
What is this Google Pay, Phone Pay means? Scanning, there will be one QR code in every shop, every stationery shop, any shop you take. You will
Mm.
just open the application, Phone Pay or Google Pay, you will scan it. As soon
Mm.
as scan, no, you will get his bank details. You will
Mm.
send the money to his bank details and it will confirm and it will show a screenshot. Like it will show a pop-up that the amount is transferred. I don't
Mm.
think so it is there in US. You guys are using cards, no? Credit card, debit card, and
Yeah.
tapping. These are using. But in India, no, nobody is using cards. They are using or they are integrated that with the Google Pay, Phone Pay.
Mm.
Okay. So money. So these are the competitors now, Google Pay, Phone Pay. So what WhatsApp is decided, let me give that feature also. Why all the people is going for Google Pay, Phone Pay? So he launched that. So when
Mm.
he's launching that, obviously it is a basic and critical feature, no?
Mm.
You need to consider like that.
Mm.
So
Yes, sir.
let me take WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp. Let me take.
So since we are talking about WhatsApp, right, sir? So as a businesswoman, I use, documents like,
Yeah.
that Prerna create that, plus sign
Mm.
feature, right? There is
Yeah,
an option
yeah,
for
that is
documents,
basic
right?
and critical,
So
obviously.
I use that a lot, but, probably other people don't.
No, we will use. If I want to send something, no, I have to use all these.
Yes, sir. So that is
Base
the
guys,
basic critical.
the features which will be used regularly is basic and critical. This is community.
Okay.
Who will use this?
Not often, no.
Who will use this privacy? Who is use chat, notification, help? Got
Yes,
it?
sir. These are
The
non-critical.
profile is there.
Yeah.
Profile we will use. Profile photo will change.
Yeah.
Why I'm taking profile is very important. No, it is a status of me. No, it is my prestige. I need to update that
Right.
properly. It should looks properly as well.
Yeah, correct.
So there are many groups. I have to check that. I have to this whatever the things are there. This is very important. See, event I will not use. New sticker I will not use. If you take all these, no document I will use. Photo I will use. Camera also very less I will use. Contact I will use. Polls I never use.
Never.
Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I will use only 3.
Yeah.
So that is how you have to decide the basic and critical features. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
decide, analyze, and do it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now let us go for the concept. Or you are lagging with the concepts again. Study more. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Analyze. See, obviously get after you are learning from past 1.5 month, you can't
Yes,
become a
sir.
master.
Yeah.
Day by day, day by day, day by day, you will get that grip.
Thank
Mm-hmm.
you for understanding that.
Yeah, what? See, obviously, that is the sense that nobody can learn within one day. If that is the case, one day everyone will learn and they will become test engineers. Next day they will become
Yes.
developers. 1 week later, hey, this is not a good job. They will go
Yeah.
for something.
Yeah.
It's not easy. So let me go for pictures, screenshots. Let me take an example of our latest video. Okay. So this is the concept that we are talking in the last class, right? We have
Mm-hmm.
taken a mobile.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
The requirement is given. They have to use thumb or no, not is what is thumb? What is this finger name? Index finger they have to use, and you need to swipe right to left only. You have to hold the mobile in hand. But end users, what they have done, they are using in left hand, they are swiping in nose, they are driving. When they are driving, they are using. Some people are using according to the requirement.
Correct.
So why this particular uh, testing I have to do means why I have to do the smoke whatever the ad hoc testing. This is not smoke, this is ad hoc, no? What is the purpose of doing ad hoc testing? Customers are facing issue. First thing, what customers are facing? As I can tell that, let me take as a point number one. Developers are developing the software according to the requirement. Test engineers are testing the software according to the requirement, as you've seen. And if you release the software, end user might find so many number of defects. In order to avoid that, I will do the ad hoc testing. Understood?
Yes, sir.
If you develop the software according to the requirement, if you test the software according to the requirement, but end user can use the software however you want. That time also software should work. So if it is not working, then it is a mistake from our side. So in order to correct that mistake, I have to do the ad hoc testing. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Since it is a negative testing, as I told you some rules, first always test the software according to the requirement. Later you have to test the software against the requirement. Against the requirement means what? A is telling that use thumb. Hey, let me use thumb. He is telling that use index finger. I will use another fingers. I will check. It should work, no? Because hand means any of the finger I will use and I will use the mobile.
Yes.
It's not like you are telling that you have to use the index finger only. Or I am setting a fingerprint password. Not always the thumb I will give, no? Few persons, like if you take an example of Ekalavya is not having his thumb. Where he will go? How will he use his mobile?
Yeah.
So we are everything again. Customer can't give all the requirements, no. So you have to analyze it, and you have to do the testing. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So think about basically the whole crowd. In the basic routine life, what different people use in their routine life.
Yes. So let me tell one more point. Here I followed the requirement and I have tested the software. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So by following the requirement, I have tested the software, but still I faced so many issues. So what I will do, sometimes I will use my common sense instead of requirement. Got it? I will think from out of the requirement. Understanding the boundary they have given, I'm just crossing that boundary. Since I'm not looking into that requirement, I'm not looking into the requirement, using common sense. Hey, take a mobile, use with your hand, any finger. Skin should be used to operate the mobile actually. Got it. Later what I will do, I will take some plastic, plastic, and I will swipe. It should not work. Plastic is not a part of human being.
Correct.
I will use some metal and I will do. It should not operate. That and all is ad hoc. That is and all I am doing. If it is operating for metal, no, that is defect. Keep it in your mind. If my whatever the mobile is there, it should operate for only, since is given the thumb is a skin. So skin, if I use, it should operate. Either nose, either ears, it should operate. Because skin is there. Like that, you have to develop this display. But metal is some other thing, no? Which is other material only. Sand is other material. Water is other material. Plastic is other material. So that and all, we should, if we use also, it should not work. That is common sense. I will tell the scenario. I will tell the developer, boss, I'm using the metal. That time the display is working. What
Yes.
if I keep the mobile on the table in a inverted, I mean, reverse the mobile and kept on the metal table? It is calling my friend, or it is opening camera, it is opening the flash. I'm not observed the mobile for 1 hour due to flash. The mobile became heat and it is blasted. Got it?
Yeah.
So many things will be there. I'm just explaining you by giving some basic examples, but there will be a
Right.
purpose. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So why I have to do the ad hoc testing means I should break my software.
Mm-hmm.
Break my software means not breaking by taking a hammer and breaking the mobile. Think what and all the positive ways I can use the software, what and all negative ways I can use the software. As I mentioned, I used some Trump name. So it understood that hey, this fellow is doing something from my side or
Yes.
something, because Trump is not a simple name. No, why is taking that name? It is thinking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Assume it is not thinking the like that. I will create Donald Trump page.
Yeah.
I will
Mm-hmm.
upload the Trump photos, videos, or something, and I will make it as a real Trump page itself. I will later, after a few days, I will start doing scams.
Mm-hmm.
So this application should not allow like that. Or I created the name as Shah Rukh Khan.
Mm-hmm.
That time it will check. Okay, you are Shah Rukh Khan, but I'm feel. Okay, what is your enter your mail or date of birth? Since I entered the wrong date of birth, chances are there it might go and match with the celebrities as well, date of birth. So they might give you this name is not available. Sometimes if you check as Shah Rukh Khan, no, the name
Mm-hmm.
is not available for your profile. It will
Mm-hmm.
suggest you some other words. What is
Mm-hmm.
that
Right.
is already ad hoc testing is done. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So as a test engineer, we thought, hey, what if the same name, Prerna name, there are 100 members? How can I differentiate?
Mm-hmm.
As customer given the requirement, first day is not aware of all those things.
Mm-hmm.
So as a test engineer, this is your thinking, analytical thinking. This is only you are analyzing and you are thinking and you are giving some feedback.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, hey boss, one person only one account, same name, another person. If Narsimha want to send a request for Prerna, there are 100 Prernas. How can I send? Prerna will tell Prerna with her surname or something. I will search. I will get her
Mm-hmm.
profile. I will send a friend request. You got it, no?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Creative thinkings and all. How I got? I done the ad hoc testing,
Yes.
and I'm trying to break the software by my analytical thinking only. When I am using my thinking, no analytical thinking,
Mm-hmm.
my software should not break.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Let me explain with the scenarios. You will get a very, I mean, you will understand more. Okay. Let
Mm-hmm.
me go with the application.
So quick question, sir. So
Yes,
since ad hoc testing is a negative testing, right?
yes, yes.
So you just explained the Facebook application, right? So once, as a test engineer, once you feel like, okay, this test application is all negative, 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 it's not moving forward. That means it's your testing is done, or
Can you tell
as,
once again? Negative,
as,
negative,
as
negative. मतलब क्या है?
the ad hoc testing is a negative,
Yes,
testing, right?
yes.
So you just take example for a Facebook, right?
Hmm.
We just use that as an example.
Yes.
So if you try a couple different things and it's still you are getting result as a negative,
Hmm.
so that means that test
Yeah,
engineer
that
will
is ad
stop
hoc.
the project right
Yes,
there.
yes, that is ad hoc. When
Okay.
I'm trying to
Ad
see
hoc,
what I
sorry.
have done, I try to
Mhm.
create the account for today's date. No,
Okay, and you tried
Mm-hmm.
I
multiple
I
times.
I born today and I can create the account. Is it possible? Or my government will allow me that to create the account for today itself? Got
No.
it. You
Yeah.
should be 13 years old if you want to create.
Yeah.
There is a age restrictions, but nowadays what people are doing now, the parents, they are creating the accounts for their children to show their dance videos or something, or they are doing some reels and all. No, that is
Mm-hmm.
actually, it is banned. There should
Mm-hmm.
not be any accounts, but still they are creating, and they will tell that, sir, I am operating the account, but I created with my daughter's name, son's name.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
These issues and all are went to court, okay, and
Oh.
the lawyers, yeah, obviously, you can't, if there is a age restriction, they can't use the
Mm-hmm.
application.
Correct.
There are so many social welfare things and all, no, what they will
Mm-hmm.
do, they will file a case. I
Mm-hmm.
think there is one video for Mark Zuckerberg. He is in a court. Some
Mm-hmm.
lawyer will ask him so many questions regarding this breakup stories and suicide cases and all is happening because of Facebook. No, how will you handle? And there is a
Mm-hmm.
age restriction for 13 years, but 5 years, 6 years, people are already creating the codes, how you are handling, what you are doing, and all so many questions. There is an interview in YouTube, you can watch that. There is a
Mm-hmm.
lawyer, he will ask many questions for Mark Zuckerberg.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Because as per the country rules, no, you have to
Mm-hmm.
develop the software.
Mm-hmm.
If you are not developed, then you have to ban that.
Yes, sir.
Right.
There are many applications which are banned in US
Yeah.
also. In, see, if you take an example of WhatsApp, okay,
Yeah.
UAE is a country where security is very important.
Mm-hmm.
United Arab Emirates, okay, you take Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah, very important. Where
Mm-hmm.
your WhatsApp told it is end-to-end encrypted.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
WhatsApp is telling, hey, only the message can be seen by the sender and the receiver. I can't give you the authority to use it.
Mm-hmm.
UAE government banned
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
directly. Hey, don't do your business here. Later,
Mm-hmm.
is given the access for only chats.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Now chats are working. Video call, status, whatever the phone calls, video calls are there. No, those are banned.
Mm-hmm.
You can't do the call for the person who is present in UAE by using a WhatsApp. But
Mm-hmm.
I called Reena also. I called Prerna also with my WhatsApp. Why? Because you are present in USA. It is not banned there. This is the difference I am giving. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think now you are getting a clarity.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Much better.
So,
So
sir, it
let
is
us see.
basically compliance acceptance testing when we are
Yeah.
telling that the age group is a restriction, right?
Yes.
Hmm.
Yes. According to the government rules and regulations, you have to
Yeah.
test. Yeah.
Yeah.
So let me give you the points why we have to do the ad hoc testing. So chances are their customer or end user might use the software randomly and they might find the defects. In order to avoid that, we have to do the ad hoc testing. Yes or no?
Mm.
Yeah.
Yes.
However, if they want, he can use the software, so he might find the defects. Instead of he is doing ad hoc testing, I will only do ad hoc testing. I will think like a customer and I will do.
Mm-hmm.
That is what I am doing, no? As a
Yeah.
customer, I'm doing something on all random inputs.
Yeah.
That is already done by my test engineers, then it is good.
Yeah.
That is ad hoc testing. That is why I
Yeah.
need to do ad hoc testing.
Mm-hmm.
Developer will develop the software according to the requirement. Test
Mm-hmm.
engineer test the software according to the requirement. Chances of finding defects is less. According to the requirement means what? Enter all the things are valid, 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 valid.
Mm-hmm.
Developer also written the code for valid inputs only, always.
Mm-hmm.
So you'll find very less number of defects if you are looking into the requirement and if you test the software. So test
Mm-hmm.
engine will come up with the creative scenarios.
Okay.
Creative scenarios means according to the not according to the
Not
requirement.
according.
That's
Yeah.
it.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
that creative scenarios. So we have to do the ad hoc testing. Why?
Yeah.
In order to find more number of defects.
Mm-hmm.
If you are finding a defect,
Mm-hmm.
developer will check whether it is a valid or it is a invalid.
Mm-hmm.
Not by looking into the requirement. Sometimes he will use something called as common sense. That common sense will help him. Yes, it is a defect. Or there will be regular meetings. You can tell that in the meeting, hey boss, if the person is using the mobile in the left hand, what is the issue you're facing? He can use no.
Yes.
That they will agree, obviously.
Yeah.
That is what you are thinking in a creative way. Next,
Yeah.
since it is a negative testing, obviously it is a mandatory, so you have to do. Got it? Since requirements are not followed, are you following the requirements while doing the Adhoc testing?
No.
But you already know the requirement.
Yeah.
You know the requirement because when we have to do this means once after doing functional testing, see Adhoc testing you can't do first day itself. Smoke testing is done. Functional testing is done. Integration testing is done. Okay. Or in between doing integration or in between the functional. I will explain you that concept also is there. I will explain you, but I'm making you a short description that if the baby is born, no, you have done the smoke testing.
Yeah.
But the baby is become 16 years old. That fellow is smoking outside. You don't know. That fellow is drinking alcohol. You don't know.
Correct.
Got it? He is spoiling his health, but I don't know. But this is Adhoc, I can tell. So
Yes.
software is developed. I am not doing Adhoc, but after some days I have to do Adhoc. I have to check that. Like that, how the baby is become a young guy and he's doing all these bad things and he's taking drugs. That he is doing Adhoc by himself.
So basically, every negative testing within functional testing, integration testing, system testing is ad hoc testing. Correct?
Yes. I told
And
no,
smoke testing as
it is
well,
a
right?
negative test.
Yeah.
No, smoke is always
Smoke is always
positive.
positive.
Oh yeah, smoke
There is
is
no
always
negative.
positive. My bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, my
Sleeping.
bad.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The
smoke is
intention
always
of doing Adhoc testing is somehow break the software or somehow
correct.
break the product.
Yeah,
Okay. I need
correct.
to break the product. Just I take an example of same your Facebook.
Yeah.
I thought of giving a wrong inputs to break the software. Understood?
Yeah.
What I have done? I have entered wrong inputs. See, my name is Narsimha. I told Donald Trump. I born in 1996. I told today only I born. What is that? That is creative, no?
Yeah.
Yes.
You
Got
put
it?
wrong information.
Yeah. Why I am doing? I am breaking the software. But
Yeah.
my software is not taking that inputs. My software is triggering me with the reply that, hey, Kachada fellow, your name is not a Trump.
Yeah.
Hey, Kachada fellow, you did not born today. I know. If I born today, how can I go and I click on sign up? How would I know that there is sign up? Today
Yeah.
born baby. Got it. So it's not possible. That is what it is telling. So I am trying to break. I am acting like a today born baby and I'm trying to break my software. So it is not happening. So that is why I have to do the ad hoc testing.
Okay.
Got it?
Got
Yes,
it.
sir.
Got it.
Yes. Now take the screenshot.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done? Now take.
No, wait a second. Yeah. You
Yes.
changed the screen, sir. So
I forgot that the recording is working or stopped. I don't know.
it's working.
Yeah. See, my mobile is sending me the message that somebody is logged in for your what is that? Amazon. Check.
So
This and
those
all
are spam
security.
messages. Spam messages, sir.
No, I logged in. No, what spam?
Yeah.
Here, see, I logged in already. This
Oh,
is
you did?
login. No?
Oh, yeah. Correct.
So it is a security point of view. It is telling.
Yeah.
Okay, I will tell you one more story. See, what happened during COVID? No, I was working somewhere, some 300, 400 kilometers away from my home place. You can't stay there. No, I just came back to my hometown.
Obviously.
I was just addicted to play some game called as PUBG.
Okay.
What happened? What happened?
Mm-hmm.
There are some people that time I was not aware of hacking and all. Some person what he's made some Facebook page,
Mhm.
login page, Facebook login page only. Whatever username you'll enter, whatever password you'll enter, no, it's a dummy page. Dummy
Correct.
means what? Some duplicate wala page. Login button, cancel button is given. Got it? When I entered my valid username, how I lost my Facebook, I'm telling you the story. I entered my valid username, valid password, click on login button. It is logged in for my Facebook account. But since this fellow is created the dummy page, he can see my credentials, what I entered, username and password. And
Correct.
this fellow is from Africa.
Okay.
Okay, how I got it means he tried to log into my Facebook. Okay, that time I am in India, no? Immediately it is logged into Africa. How can I go to Africa within fractions of seconds? So my Facebook is understood that matter and it is directly blocked this account and this account.
Oh, wow.
Got it? So
Yeah.
anyhow, he is not using my account for any wrong purpose because it is blocked. But I lost my account. This is my mistake only. I have logged in a dummy page because to get some skins in the game, no, you will get some coins and all. So
Yeah.
if I log in, this fellow told in Instagram messaging or in Instagram is made some ads such a way that you will get 500 coins for free login for Facebook. It is my mistake. I thought I will get the 500 rupees coins, 500 coins. I just logged into the dummy account. I lost my Facebook account.
Correct.
This is the scenario which is happened for lakhs of people. Okay. The lakhs of people, few people are reported to Facebook. Facebook taken it as a consideration. They have developed the software. Later it is happened for me.
Okay.
So they have blocked both the accounts. Assume it is the first person means this person would have taken my username password. You would have used it in a wrong way by chatting to girls or asking money or something to make my name bad way. Got it? These things are happened many times. So Facebook got to know that if the location is changed means then it is blocked. Then it is a dummy user use. How they got to know that? Here we have done ad hoc.
Yeah.
Why ad hoc? I have given my username password to some hacker. No. So you would use that is the customer initially don't know. Creatively, these fellows are thinking and they have done this job. This is ad hoc. Something creative, something going crazy. That is ad hoc.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. So let me take one example now to teach you. Okay. How to do the ad hoc testing. What is the time there?
9:53.
You have time, no?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
How much time you're looking for, sir?
Looking for much time, more time, or more maybe 1 hour.
Sir,
Okay.
I'm available.
Okay. What
I will
about you?
manage. I will manage somehow.
Okay, that much time I will not take. I'm just giving an.
No, that's fine. That's fine. We want to learn.
Yeah.
Yes. Testing is not easy, guys. But if you have a good knowledge or I told no creative thinking, it is very easy for you. Okay. Let
Sir,
me take it
we are
as
dedicated student.
yeah. Dedication is a part of intelligence. Okay. Got it. I mean
Yeah.
discipline, not dedication. Discipline is part of a good learning. Okay. So let me take an username and password. This is a browser. Okay. Let me write all the things. open the browser and enter the URL. Okay, I have opened the browser, enter the URL of Gmail only. Let me take. Okay. Since I've opened the browser, enter the URL, I already told you there will be something called as browser back button, browser forward button, browser's refresh button, browser's cancel button, browser's what is this, minimize maximize button, browser's what is this, close button, huh? Yeah. So it is there here also, refresh, and I'm just taking refresh and browser back button and close button as well. Okay. Now, as an engineer, as a test engineer, I have to test this. So what I'll do, I'm just explaining the scenario. As soon as I log in, what page I'll get a home page.
Correct.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Home page of your what is this? Gmail consists of compose, inbox, sent items, later start, spam, logout. So many features, other features are there. If I click on compose page will display. If I click on logout, what page will display? Again, my login page will display.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, username, password. If you log out, what page will display? Again, enter username, password page will display. Okay. So keep your eyes here. I'm writing the scenario. How to do means always scenario. Okay.
Yeah.
Log in to Gmail. Okay. With valid credentials. Valid credentials means what? Proper username and password. Keep in your minds. Okay. Home page will display. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why you are telling home page will be displayed means you are already done functional testing, you are already done smoke testing. That time it is showing me a home page, and also in the requirement they have mentioned home page should display. So I'm telling home page will be displayed.
Yes, sir.
Which means I already know. Okay. Click on log out. If you click on log out, home page log out. If I click on log out, what page will display?
Login.
Login
Yeah.
page is displayed. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Now click on browser back button. What is the browser back button? This button. This particular button. You can see.
Yeah.
This particular button. If you click on that back button, so I am in this page. If I click on logout, what page will display? It will show me a login page. I mean username, password. If I'm clicking on browser back button page, what it should show? It should show me a home page. Yes or no?
Yeah.
What, Reena?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no, I'm so sorry. No. It's if once you log out, you go back to the login page.
So if I done a log
Once you
out,
log in, then you get into
see guys,
home page again.
see, I will tell you, I will explain you very good way. You will understand. Okay. I logged in, valid credentials, valid password. I got this home page. I'm click on log out. As soon as I click on log out page, what page will display? Same username, password page will display. Sir, no?
Yeah. Correct.
Let me take screen. This is the first screen. I done the job. I got the second screen. I done my job or I done some functionality. I got the third page.
Correct.
My functionality of this particular button is take me back to the previous page. I clicked on the previous page button. Got it? So if I click on the previous page button, no, it should take me to the home page only. But I am thinking in a creative way. Once you log out means you are completely out of that particular application.
Okay.
Your username password until unless you will enter your credentials properly, then only you should give the access for their home page. That is the meaning of the logout. Agree? Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yep.
But what I'm doing, I'm using a browser back button to go back to the previous page. But it should not give them a home page. Either it should tell enter valid username password to go back to the home page. Let me
Yeah.
explain you with an example. Now
Yes.
I logged in. Narsimha is there.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the account.
Mm-hmm.
I'm clicking on sign out. Okay.
Yeah.
I clicked on sign out. So what page I got? Sign in page,
Sign
login
in.
page I got.
Sign in.
Login page
Yeah.
I got.
Login page.
I'm
Yeah.
using what I'm doing. I'm clicking on a browser back button.
Yeah.
I'm clicking on a browser back button. See here. It
Yeah.
is
You're
showing
back.
my
It's
profile.
opening your own page. Yeah.
Yeah.
But
You're back.
see, if I see, it is not showing. It was a see, where is my page? When it reload, no, it will take you to the normal page.
Correct.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Here there is no account. Since I have logged out, it is here. It is telling me to log in again.
Yeah.
Or else what is the use of logout? No.
Yeah.
Correct.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Logout matlab erase my data from this particular system. Done.
Yeah.
Yes.
But
Yeah.
Privacy is
I tried my back button. I tried to hack my account without logging in. It is not possible. That is what I'm creatively thinking.
correct.
Yes, sir.
Understood? So
Mhm.
click on browser back button. What page should display?
From the third page to second page, sir, or second to first page? Which one you are asking?
You've seen the scenarios. Either you
Yeah.
check
Yeah.
the
Here.
scenario.
Okay.
Login to
See.
Gmail with the valid. So home page
Login
will
to-
display. Click on the
Home page
logout.
will display. Log out.
Okay. So once
Yes.
you log out, you open the
Click on browser back
look-
button. What page should display? Login page should display.
Login
Should
Sir,
page
no?
display.
because you have logged out. Yeah.
Yes. This is my creative scenario
Correct.
I have written. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Similarly, let me tell you one more scenario. I'm just take you to 2 to 3 scenarios. You will understand. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Same. What I will do, I will open the Amazon, log into Amazon. Okay. Let me enter my password. Instead of password, you will get a OTP.
Okay.
944 772. Okay. Continue. So this is my page, no?
Yeah.
Yes. So I'm
Yes,
logged
sir.
in. This is my home page.
Yeah.
Yes. So many things are there.
Yeah.
See here.
Your name is there, so you signed
See.
in.
Yeah. This is my name.
Yeah.
Okay. So what I will do, and these products are there which I bought previously. Okay. See
Correct.
here, there is something called as bookmark. Bookmark means it will save that.
Correct.
Okay. It will save this. I logged in, and it is saving in a bookmark. Let me add it in the bookmark bar. It means here itself. Okay. Click on done. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here it is. Got it.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
See, if I
You
click
already
on,
saved your
my
name.
account is there.
Yeah.
Okay, let me close this. I'm just showing you what do you mean by bookmark. Okay, what I'll
Yeah.
do, I'll just log out now. See here, signing out.
Yeah.
It means I came out.
Yeah.
I logged in and I came out.
Yeah.
But I already mentioned that in a bookmark.
Correct.
Let me see. Since I logged out, but still my application will directly go to the bookmark or what? See here, sign in. It is updating. See here, it is showing a
Yeah.
pop-up here.
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
means it is
Then you
logged
logged
out.
in.
It is logged out. It
Yeah.
is my creative thinking. What I have done. Let me enter the username password. Let me log in. Later make it as a bookmark. Bookmark means it is saving somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me log out. Let me check whether it is giving the access or not.
Correct.
So
Mhm.
this is one of the creative.
Okay.
Login to the same way I will take Gmail. Okay.
Okay.
Log into Gmail. Home page will display. Make the page as bookmark. Okay. Log out. Navigate to the bookmark and click on it.
Check whether
Tell.
check
whether
whether application opened successfully without any error.
no. Check whether application.
Shows as a saved.
1 second. Log into Gmail. Home page will display. Make the page as bookmark. Log out. Yes, I have done log out.
Yeah.
Navigate to bookmark and click on it.
Yeah.
I'm just clicking on the bookmark. Check
Right.
whether application login page is displayed. Sir, what do you mean by this? You understood or not?
Because you have logged
Yeah.
out.
Yeah, you logged out. Then
Yeah.
let me explain you with an example. Let me go to my Gmail. Okay.
Yeah.
What is this bookmark?
Bookmark.
Bookmark done.
Yeah.
Done. Huh?
Yeah.
If you want, you can see here Gmail.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Correct.
Let me log out. Where is log out?
So it will
Pause.
be under profile
Sign
pic.
out.
Yeah.
Sign out. Done.
Hmm.
Yep.
Let me go. Let me click.
Yep.
See here.
Yes.
You are
Correct.
logged out. Signed
Yeah.
out.
Hmm.
But if it is going for my home page, it is going for my mails page without taking a password. I logged out. Logged out means what is the meaning of logged out? Remove the data from that particular website or remove the data from that particular device.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is creative.
Okay.
Okay. Next, open Gmail. Okay. Or open the browser. Enter the URL. Login page will be displayed, or you can write should be displayed also. Okay. Will be or should be, both are same.
Okay.
When same, when you are doing the ad hoc testing, not while doing functional, because when you are doing functional testing, you don't know whether it will display or not. But when you have done functional integration and all, obviously it will display. Okay.
Yeah, I made this mistake yesterday in my assignment.
So it is displayed. Enter valid username and invalid password. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Click on login button. What page should display?
Invalid password. Proper error message should be displayed. sir.
Yes, very good. So proper error message should be
Display.
displayed. Got it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Same way. This is also negative. I'm not telling this is creative, but many times
Yeah.
it is happened. You entered valid username, invalid password, no?
Yeah.
Enter invalid username, valid password. Have you done? Sometimes
Yeah.
Yes.
creative
Yes.
and also
Yeah.
negative.
Yes.
Yeah.
Same way. Let me show you. Let me enter my valid username. This is my username, password. I entered some wrong password. Next. Wrong password, no? It is showing no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Proper error message
Yeah.
is displays
It's
means
showing
okay,
error.
my error message is displaying Adhoc testing is pass.
Correct.
If it
Yeah.
will log in, no, it is a defect. If it will log in, it is a defect. If it is showing error message, then Adhoc testing is pass. I'm
Okay. Got
repeating
it.
some words many times. Okay, you have to follow those words.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same way, I will open the browser, enter the URL. This page will enter the valid username and valid password. I entered. Okay,
Yeah.
and refresh the page. Okay,
And click on login.
click on login button. What page should display?
Again, proper error message, sir,
Yeah.
because
Why?
your
See,
username and password is
so
erased.
yeah, so what will happen when I'm entering the password? Prerna seeing from the back side. Okay,
Yeah.
what I'll do, suddenly I'll do refresh. I will
Correct.
click on login. Oh, I just acting. Okay, so
Yeah.
I forgot the why? Since she is seen 40 to 50% of the password, no, I don't want to enter anymore.
Right.
Or some CC cameras are there, you are trying to enter your card number or something.
Yeah.
What will happen? No, in the future, obviously, some person will try to use it or something he can do. So that is the purpose of refresh, right?
Yeah.
And there is one universal Adhoc testing. Universal Adhoc testing means what? I will enter valid username, valid password. I will enter the valid username and valid password. Okay. And turn off the internet. Okay.
Yeah.
Getting no, turn off the internet. Click on login button. Proper error message should be displayed.
Yeah.
Once the internet connection is gone, since it is a web application, internet is mandatory.
Correct.
The application should not work.
Correct.
Yes.
Got it. I think I explained
Yes,
you
sir.
one scenario previously. Internet will
Yes,
not be
sir.
there means the application
Yeah.
should
Yeah.
not work.
Yes, sir.
I have taken only login page, guys.
Yes.
Okay. How many scenarios I have written?
6.
6.
I can write another 10.
Okay.
How, sir? See here. I'll open the browser, enter the URL. I will enter the, okay, enter valid username, valid password. Both invalid I will enter. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
So basically,
understanding?
you are keep testing. And basically, you are keep testing the same thing over and over using different.
That is not the same thing. Different inputs, different types of
Yeah,
inputs. It
different
is not
input
a donkey
basically.
testing. Okay.
Yeah.
Now what I'm doing again, I'm doing the Adhoc. How I'm opening the browser, entering the URL, login page will display. I will not enter values or do not enter values in the username text field. Or Okay, do not enter values in or leave blank. Okay, getting no?
Yes, sir.
Don't enter or leave blank. Do
Hmm.
not enter values in username and do not enter values in password. Leaves blank. Okay,
Okay.
and click on login button. Error message should be displayed.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, what I will do, I will enter username inside the password, password inside the username. Click on login button.
Mhm.
See, developer logic, I don't know. Sometimes chances are there he might give the logic username you can enter username or password. For password, you can enter username or password.
Yes, sir.
I am not aware of how you will write the code. No, as a test
Yes, sir.
engineer, I have to test. No,
Yes, sir.
so think. This is what I am giving you a basic example how I can do the ad hoc testing. Okay,
Okay.
got it?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Now I have taken the application which is completely depending upon the browser. Understood?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
since it is completely depending upon the browser, I can do all the browser activity testings on the application.
Hmm.
Got it? These things are browser activities. Few things, back button, refresh button. Okay. If you are thinking about the draft, I'm just giving you an example. Draft, if you want to test, no, you will click on compose, you will cancel this directly.
Hmm.
So if you compose, if you cancel, obviously that should present in the draft.
Yeah.
That is positive.
Hmm.
That is not negative. That is not creative because the requirement says like that. Requirement
Yeah.
says that, keep understand this concept.
Hmm.
Requirement says that, a boss, when you are composing a mail, okay,
Hmm.
something happened, you are not able to compose complete mail, your mobile switched off or you cancelled, somehow it got cancelled, or somehow the mail when you want to send it, it is not able to send,
Hmm.
okay,
Hmm.
due to some issues.
Yeah.
That should go on store. The draft.
Hmm.
This is the requirement.
Okay.
So what I'll do, I will do those activities like cancel I will do or close I will do. I'll go to draft and I will check whether the mail is displayed. That is not creative. That is
Hmm.
not negative because the requirement says like that. If the requirement is telling something, that will always consider it as a positive.
Yes.
Okay.
If there is no requirement, then it is creative.
Hmm.
Creative is also a negative. Negative is also a negative.
Hmm. Sir, but creative will always be negative, or it can
No,
also be
no, no,
positive.
no.
Yeah. Yeah.
Creative may be positive, but
Yeah. Yeah.
if it is not mentioned in the requirement, then it is not a positive.
Okay.
Positive means always according to the requirement.
Requirement. Yeah.
Okay.
Creative means out of requirement. I told you, out of box.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah.
So it is negative.
Yeah.
Got the clarity?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So some idea you got?
Hmm. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, if you don't mind, can you please repeat the last two sentences you just explained?
Okay. If something is mentioned in the requirement,
Uh-huh.
then it is positive testing.
Okay.
If something which is not mentioned in the requirement, that is
Okay.
creative.
Okay.
Something is not mentioned in the requirement, but the software is working in a wrong way means that is defect.
Hmm.
Okay.
It is not mentioned in the requirement, but the behavior of the software, as per my understanding, it is working in a wrong way.
Correct.
Like I logged in, logged out, these activities I have done. No, this is not there in the requirement,
Hmm.
but when I'm going pressing on the browser back button, it is going for the home page. I mean, for my account, it is
Hmm.
going inside of my. That is again, I will call it as a defect.
Hmm.
But
Yeah.
it is going for the login page. I will call it as a creative.
Hmm.
Okay.
Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes. So use more brain. Okay. It is not easy. This is not a simple logic to understand. Okay.
So I have
Now,
one more question, sir.
yeah, very
Right
good.
now you use Gmail as a application, right?
Yes.
So if I want to use any other application like
Mm.
Facebook, Instagram, Google Map, or anything,
Yes.
the scenario will be the almost same.
For login page, these are the diamond scenarios. I'm just
Okay.
going with the login page. Okay. So let us go with the other things.
Yeah, like
Okay.
other application.
Yeah, other applications.
Yeah, that would be
Okay.
great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let us do that in the next class. Okay. I think the time
Okay.
is it's
In
already
10 time.
10 or so something. Okay.
10,
Now what
20.
you have to do, this is one
Mhm.
example I'm doing. I will give you many examples. Okay. No need of worrying. You
Yeah.
take the
Yeah. Thank
screenshot.
you.
Let us do this session in the next class as well. Okay.
Yes,
Take
sir.
the screenshot.
Yeah.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Give me 1 second, sir. Yeah, done.
Now take the last scenario also.
Yes, sir.
Done?
Done. Yeah.
Sir, wait just a minute, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. Done.
Okay.
Mm.
So